you. Summer Club is 1 week away with the theme Raw. So all the animals are ready and they're so excited to see you there. It's happening the 28th to the 31st of July. It's going to be a great week of fun. So don't miss out. Make sure you're booked in and we'll see you there. Roar! Over the August holidays, we're going to be doing a little change up of our church services. So on 2 of the Sundays, we'll be doing just a morning service at 10:30 a.m. So there'll be no evening service on those 2 Sundays. But this means that we'll have space to do a picnic at the park after the morning service. So it means we get to hang out more. And also on the bank holiday weekend, we'll be having an extra fun time at Sandwell Valley Park at 4 p.m. So you can join us for that on Sunday, the 30th of August. All of our weekly activities are going to be taking a little break over the summer. That includes all our activities of GForce with the kids, Oneighty with the youth, Noah's Ark with the toddlers, companions and Welcome Brew. But don't worry, we'll all be back in September. Have a great summer's break. So that's all for XL News, but don't forget this Wednesday is released at 7:30, so we'd love to see you there. Have a great week, guys.